Okay, ang target hair color today ay Platinum Pink Blonde. So before we start, ito ang before hair ni client, natural curl. At sabi rin naman ni client wala siyang plano magpa-rebond in the future. Nag-apply lang din ako dito ng full head bleach. And since virgin hair nga si client, gumamit na ako dito ng 40 volume. Note guys, advisable lang na gumamit ng 40 volume kapag virgin hair si client. Once na may existing na bleach strands na si client, gumamit lang tayo dito ng 6% to 9%. At once ma-achieve na ang level 8 to 9 na lift ng hair, any fashion color ay mag-work na dahil mas kakapit na at magiging visible ang pigments ng hair color. And then I mixed 865 and 867 na fashion hair color. Nabad ko lang ng 20 minutes. At dahil natural curly si client, I applied treatment na to straighten her hair but to enhance more the curls. Here's the final result.